Jonathan Steingard is a Canadian musician, singer and songwriter known as the lead vocalist and lead guitarist for the Christian pop-punk band Hawk Nelson, which he joined in October 2004, replacing the former guitarist David Clark. He took over vocal duties upon Jason Dunn's departure in March 2012. His side projects include September Satellite, The Natural Anthem, 2 albums entitled Fox Run, Under the Canopy and An Ep Atlantis. Steingard's first principal side project, Fox Run, released on October 25, 2006, utilizes a large number of instruments for a unique sound. His second album, Under the Canopy, released on November 25, 2008, is rather an emotional alternative one, rather than the pop-punk genre of Hawk Nelson, while 3 singles from Under the Canopy was featured in the Atlantis EP released on November 11, 2008, and available for free download. Steingard served as a judge for the 13th and 14th Annual Independent Music Awards in 2014 and 2015, and his contributions helped to assist the careers of upcoming independent artists. The oldest of 3 children, Jonathan started playing the guitar at the age of 9. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.